Okay, third grade, we're going to get started. The clock shows the time that Jillian started her quiz. If it takes her 20 minutes to finish the quiz, what time will she finish? Right now it is 10:30 according to this clock. There's the 30. If we are adding 20 minutes, it would be 5, 10, 15, 20. That would put her at 10:50. The answer is 10:50. Okay, next one. Write the time. The hour hand is the small one, so that's 1. And it's 30 minutes, so it's 1:30. Add 15 minutes to it. So 5, 10, 15 would put us right there. So that would be 1:45. All right. Sorry I can't zoom in more. It's not really letting me zoom in today. So 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 2, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. I would say the friendly numbers that they were looking for probably was like the even 90. That's pretty easy to work with. Okay, over here. Bubble all of the quadrilaterals. That's the four-sided shapes. A square is four-sided. A rectangle is four-sided. Triangle is 3. Circle, no. Rhombus, yes. Trapezoid, yes. Which sides are parallel? A and C. So A and C. Or would it be D and C? Well, it's definitely not D and C because they crash into each other. So it would have to be A and C. Over here, partitioning into halves, there's many different options. I'm going to go straight through. Partition into thirds. This is that Y strategy that we talked about for circles. Find your center, which that wasn't a very good center. I wish I could zoom in a little closer. It'd make it easier. So stick with me. All right, there's the center, and then you go out from the center as best as you can to make those pieces even until you get 3. Tina printed 12 pictures. She will add 4 pages to her scrapbook and place an equal number of pictures on each page. How many pictures will there be on each page? I'm drawing 4 squares to represent my pages. It said that she has 4 pages, and now I'm going to share those 12 photos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that puts it at 3 pictures per page. So, to answer the question, how many pictures will there be on a page? 3 pictures. Pictures. And I could get that from my question. Okay, add a subject. Lives close to Disney World. Well, who does? Who lives close to Disney World? You could have many different options. Now, I'm not going to write out the whole sentence, but you should have, like, my mom lives close to Disney World, period. So you should have something like that with all of the words spelled out. You've got most of the sentence right here. You just needed to add a subject on who it was about. Okay, down on the bottom, A's. You'll notice that these A's have a little bit more of a tail than you're used to. The reason is because we're getting ready to figure out how cursive letters connect together. So that has a tail on it. See, I'm used to putting a tail on the front too for my cursive letters. We'll be talking more about cursive as the year goes. Name a person, place, or thing or idea. Circle all of the nouns. Bottle, that is a thing. Truck, that is a thing. Ask is an action, so no. Crawl is an action, no. Blink is an action, no. Apologize is an action, no. Student is a person. Alligator is an animal, which would be a thing. City would be a place. List 3 nouns. Could be many things. I'm going to list the things that I see. I see my fan. F-A-N. Sorry about that again. I see my sock. Did I do that on the last video? I don't remember. I also see a pillow, which I want to lay my head down on soon. Yes, Lucy, they hear you. You just hush. All right, so there are the answers. Man, I guess I made it a little colorful. Go ahead and pause this if you need to check your answers over again.